Welcome back everyone to the BSG build. Like I said in the previous video, I'm going to stick all the armor plating on, which I've done, which I could complete, and I've basically put the main body parts together, the main sections, which are 5. So you have your rear section, your main body, and then your head and jaw, which is together, and then your 2 part sections, making up 5. So I've glued everything on that should be on the model. So this is your rear section. As you can see, it slips in, and then you get 2 screws that hold it on. I've taken these armor plating off because they're not staying on when I slot this in, but I've glued on what can be on permanently. So this one I haven't completed the decals yet, this neither, but this just pulls off. Okay, revealing the inside so you can add your lighting quite easily. So you can glue this bit together if you want to, and then add lighting afterwards. Okay, and then on the bottom of this is your bottom engines. I haven't done these armor platings yet. I still need to complete them. I haven't done the molds for them yet. But this here coming on permanently. This one here I need to redo the thread for the tap. And I haven't put the clear parts in yet. Okay, so you want to basically complete this and put it together. And then from there, your main body, which I put together as well. Okay, so out of this, your top, there's a couple of top armor platings that don't need to be glued on. So this one, I'm not sure if electronics can fit in there, but this can be cut out to reveal the inside. Okay, or it might fit in, I'm not too sure. So then you do not need to take this off to get to your batteries and your electronics. You can go through this section. So this just basically slips on. Okay, all I need to do over here is I need to put the decal on the top. But I first want to do the yellow. I do not have yellow paint with me. So once I get the yellow, then I'll stick this on, and then it'll look a lot better. Okay, your armor plating for the top, basically 1, 2, 3. They cover the screws. I'll show them quick. So that's these 3. So you got your screws over there, covers it up, and then these 2 just slips in. Okay, you need to adjust these little tabs so they go in quite easily and holes. I haven't completed this one properly yet. Okay. All these other armor platings are glued on. This over here simply slides in with a bit of glue on this edge, and it clips in and holds. Okay, it sticks out the back end over here. Basically try not to bend that. Okay. These 2 are glued on. This one is loose, but it actually slides in and holds. On the bottom, same with this. These 4 are just pushed in. They're not glued on. Okay, this one here will be the same. I haven't put any armor plating decals on it. I mean, these 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and these 2 will be glued in as well. Obviously, I haven't done the guns yet. I will do a photograph and post it of the weapons in their slots. Okay, so that's your main body, and then you have your pods, which are not complete yet. They together, but I need to put decals on top of each of these square sections, and then the landing bay base, and then the photo which you'll get to print out in the box account, which you can then stick on. Like I said, this will probably need to be glued together. And then what I need to still do on this as well is I need to make the molds for the armor plating. There, and there, and the bottom. Okay, so it'll be over there, and then one small one. I think this is 2. And then the ring ones are done. Okay, you get prints of them. And then finally, your head and jaw, which consist of 2 parts. Okay, and they just slide in like I explained. So I've basically glued everything on except these 2. They just pushed in because they're deep enough, and the rest of these are all glued on. But like I said over here, you need to grind out the one side to make sure it fits. And then on this side, they're all glued on except these three because they just pushed in. And then there's nose section, which is a printed part, just basically fits in with the little stubs into the two square holes. Okay, and then these over here just get glued straight on. You need to readjust the gaps to make it fit properly. And then I just need to do one more for this section. Okay, these over here, they just glue straight onto the ribs. Okay, but that's basically how your head looks. The nose, it's got nice detail. The front, the bottom. Okay, so this model is not close to done yet. I'd say it's 90% complete. What I need to do is complete the armor plating for the pods, and then put their decals on, and for the engine as well, engine top, engine bottom, and then basically that'll be complete. I will be doing a lighting kit for this, but I can take the model apart like I've designed it to add the lighting afterwards. There's a couple of small pieces that need to go in here still, like there's a couple of dishes, satellite dishes that go in, okay, there and there, and then the bottom there's two parts on the bottom as well, one there and one there. Okay, but satellite dishes there and there, and they will be printed parts. Okay, so just watch that these don't break off. I broke off two little antenna today, putting it down on a soft surface, pulled it up and they hooked and they broke off. So I need to glue them back on. Okay, so the next video will be in a while from now. For you it'll be quick, you just click next video, unless it's not posted yet on my YouTube channel. But when I get home, because I'm not home right now, then I need to make the molds for the armor plating for the pods and complete them, and then little things I need to do, but all the painting is basically done, and I'm pretty happy with the result. So if you're building a model and you're watching this now only, then I'd say happy building. Get a hold of me if you need help. If you're watching this and you haven't got your model yet, you will get your model. Okay, I can promise you that. But this is the result you'll get, and I might be a kit producer, but I'm not the best model builder. There are a lot better people out there than me, and I think I got a good result out of this kit. I think it looks pretty spivvy. Okay, if I can do it like this, then you can. Okay, I'll just show you the detail underneath. Okay, inside the pod bays, and then your area engine section. Okay, bottom. Okay, video and photos do not do the model justice, to be honest. Once you see it in person, physically, you'll be blown away by the detail. I mean, I was myself. Even compared to the 3D model that I built or split apart from the original kit that was used in the series, or the 3D file, I was still astounded by the amount of detail. It was really outstanding. I mean, there's things on this model that you'll have in the kit that was not even seen on a TV series. It was not able to be shown, like certain areas that are hidden away, that they never showed. I mean, you saw like this area, but you didn't really see it properly. Same with the rear end. Okay, areas like behind the head, these areas, you saw them, but you didn't really see them. Now you can actually see them. You can see what work went into the design and the greebles that were added onto the kit to make it really, really look realistic. And the 3D modelers, hats off to them big time for making such a beautiful design. Okay, so next video will be the pods. I should have the pod armor plating done, and then on to completion. So till the next one, thanks for watching. Cheers.